It's been unbelievable. She looks wonderful. She did such a great job, and as her friends are going to be getting older, she's going to be staying young, and she looks beautiful. And thanks, Dr. Stompros. You did just an incredible job.
Hi guys, Dr. Stompro here. I'm here with Dory, our wonderful patient. 2 months ago, she had a total facial rejuvenation with an advanced facelift, structural neck lift. She had her eyes done, fat transfer, upper lip lift, and some laser. And she's doing great, and she's kind of been through the toughest part of that recovery. But we have a tendency to talk with patients a lot, but we don't get an opportunity to talk with husbands a lot. So we're here with Neil, and who was her caregiver. They come from a distance, so there was always a drive involved with regards to extra visits that she needed to have, right out of the gate. But from a husband's perspective, you were kind of on the fence whether she should do this or not.
Yeah, no, I was, and
Well, there was no fence. He was on the other side.
She was on the other side of the fence, yeah.
Anyway, I was talking to Dr. Stompro a week before the procedure, and him explaining the process and what the journey would look like, and telling me that it's more about how she would feel. I bought into it, and I'm really glad I did.
No, it's a big deal because a lot of times, patients are somewhat more enthusiastic about doing it. They're almost more prepared emotionally and physically to go through the surgery. But the thing that's kind of not talked about very much is that the husbands that oftentimes love their wives the way that they are, don't really want them to spend the money and go through something that carries risks with it. And so the husbands are kind of like you said, either on the fence or on the other side of the fence. And so, but it is very important because they have to be educated along with the process. It's not easy, is it, Neil?
No, it's definitely not easy, and more than I expected.
Yeah.
But, once you get through the first few weeks, it gets easier and easier. And the bottom line is that the end result makes everything worth the trip. And again, I want to just say thanks to your staff and yourself for making it so much easier.
Good.
I'm happy now, and so it is definitely only going to get better because I am happy right now at this moment.
Well, we
Thank you.
appreciate you. Thank you so much,
Thank
Neil.
you.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
I
no
really
problem.